Ready to upgrade your home cleaning? We're pitting two titans against each other, the Roborock Q Revo S5V and the Ecovacs Deebot T50 Pro Omni. Both are cleaning powerhouses, but their unique strengths might surprise you. The Roborock Q Revo S5V boasts a mighty 12,000 pascal suction and an impressive 10mm mop lift, perfect for carpet protection. Its flexi arm ensures great edge cleaning. But if raw power is your game, the Ecovacs T50 Pro Omni dominates with an incredible 15,000 pascal suction and an ultra-thin design to reach anywhere. Here's where it gets exciting. Roborock offers excellent cold water mopping, but Ecovacs takes hygiene to the next level with 70-degree hot water mop washing. Plus, its True Edge 2.0 and advanced AI obstacle avoidance mean no spot is missed. So, do you prioritize Roborock's robust all-around performance and superior mop lift, or Ecovacs' unmatched suction, hot water cleaning, and sleek design? Both deliver hands-free brilliance, making your home spotless. Choose your champion.